Saru and Ben Sol wameamua ku release another banger, man. I'm very sure mjasikiza hii bad. You are really doing you bad, man. Mnajifanyia vibaya. You gotta go on their YouTube. I don't know imerelease kwa nini ya nani, but I guess on Saru. You gotta go and listen to this, man. Hii na sure, man. This music, bro. Top notch, man. Let's check it out, man. Ngoma inaitwaje? Mastingo. Kitu yote inakuwa imefeaturewa la Saru, man. Najua title itself, man. Crazy things, man. Let's listen to it. Ngoma inaitwa Mastingo, Visualizer, featuring Ben Sol, man. Recently I've been listening to Ben Sol, man, and I can tell, man, Ben Sol is an underrated goat, man. For sure. Ben Sol ni underrated goat. Hiyo mkubaliana na mimi mkose kubaliana. I can say Ben Sol ni underrated goat. So let's check it out, man. Visualizer, Mastingo. Bro, skiza intro ya Saru, man. Listen to the intro. Na hizi ngoma za Saru mara mingi nimenotice anaongelea Saturday sana, man. Saturday sana. After tu umepiga Luta Friday, Saturday ndo inakuwa the real thing, man. Crazy. If umekuwa umesikiza Saru sana, you can tell, you can nini na mimi unaweza testify na mimi. Hii walitoa na trio the other day, waliongelelea tu Saturday the same thing. But tusikie hii anasemaje. You want another one na kama kawa creamy on top. Either you want another one or another, man. Crazy buzz. Don't spit, don't choke. Inashasha mane na kinare kiki wakaleta baby don't cook. I'm dreaming how your hips don't lie. Bro, Ben Sol, man. Skiza intro ya Ben Sol, man. Say, hello, brav. Kama uskizaki Ben Sol, man, uo unajidanganya. As a Kenyan or any other mse unapenda music, waleka uskizi Ben Sol, sijui ndakwambiaje. Man, just listen to the intro itself, man. Say. Listen to the intro again. I'm dreaming how your hips don't lie. I'm dreaming. Hiyo imenipita kidogo. Let's listen to it again. I'm dreaming how your hips don't lie. I'm dreaming how your hips don't lie. Bro, buzz after buzz, man. Now niko top speed on the highway. Finger na ikunja walai. Hii gari na iongezea mileage. If you know, you know. Shika na ipulizia smoke. So wet, I'm living on an island. Mini cheesy na ipiga backstroke. Ati so wet, I'm living on an island. Bro, hiyo yezi ni pita. Hadi kuweche yezi ni pita. Bro, you gotta give respect to Ben Sol, man. Say. Ben Sol, bro. Mad respect, man. Mad respect. Bombo clan. Ndani ya ferry Mombasa, man. Hey, noma. I never seen you jiggle like this. Crazy, bro, this is the combo we've been waiting for, man. This is the combination of God Kingoja. Saru, Ben Sol, man. Crazy things, man. Saturday evening, Leo mina baby link. You want another one na maka. Saturday evening. Na kwanza ame drop on a Saturday. Yeah, man. No. Now hii sasa ndio inaitwa creativity. Another day to solo when today don't spit, don't choke. Inashasha mane na kinare kiki wakaleta baby don't cook. Leo niko na Mastingo. Leo niko na Mastingo. Bombo clan. Naona majiki plan alikuwa na influence. Genje. Mastingo. Naona nikimeza kichwa hadi shingo. Unakuwa violent bana. Mnaanza kuwa wild, manze, even your buzz, man. Unamezaje hadi na shingo? Unamezaje? Mastingo. Naona nikimeza kichwa hadi shingo. Unamezaje kichwa hadi shingo, man? Now you becoming so wild, man. This is wild, man. Affect the figo. Mtu mfine melanin skin tone on top. Ina sweatpant kwa ya dick don't pop. Ai kuku kumba ya mukamba nipe na stop. Kuku kumba. Bro, let me say this inanipatia vibes of a dancer at the same time. Kitu ni crazy, man. Hii uko hujasikiza, manze. You gotta go and listen to this, man. Mastingo. But this one will go wild excess.
Ifike mapema ndo tu rock and roll. So nikushikie chini ama nikushikie ko.
Nikushikie chini ama nikushikie ko.
Nasikia tunaisikia rock. Nishike kama ikna nikupigie show.
Touch your knees and touch your toes.
Bensoul, listen man. Bro, itasumbua man. Manzi.
But don't stop.
Sing Saturday evening leo mina baby link up. Now you want another one, na maka creamy on top.
Crazy bar.
Solo went today, don't speed, don't choke.
Don't speed, don't choke.
Inashasha mani na kinare kiki wakaleta baby don't cook. Leo niko na mastingo. Naona nikimeza kichwa hadi shingo. Hey shingo, mastingo. Huyo wanani affect hadi figo. Na mastingo. Naona nikimeza kichwa.
Bro, Saru man, she's the real definition of a bad girl man. Bombo clan. Listen to it man. Man, bro, this is what I was saying man. Hii combo tulikuwa tumengojea. Bensoul featuring Saru man. This is amazing man. You gotta go and listen to it manze. Ngoma medropiwa recently. I think 2 hours ago. You gotta go and listen. Iko kwa page ya Saru. Mad respect. W in the chat man. I appreciate fam.